We've got exploding eggs and avocado in the DelmarvaLife kitchen today, and it's showtime.
This segment of DelmarvaLife is brought to you by Custom Fit 360.
2023 rapidly winding down, which means when New Year's strikes, there's going to be that age-old rush right back to the gym. Folks looking to get their New Year's resolution off to a strong start, piling into the stores and the fitness centers just to gear up.
But why wait until the ball drops to start taking your health seriously when you can get a bold head start? Erik Schreiber from Custom Fit 360 certainly agrees with that sentiment, and he joins us here in Historic Studio D.
How are you doing?
Here. It's good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
Why do you think people take January 1st as the hard start to fitness?
Well, I really think it has to do with the fact that the New Year's resolutions, you know, people are wanting to, like, this is going to be the year and things like that. And while I do think that it can be okay to set resolutions, when it comes to your health and your wellness, it's never a good idea to wait, right? Hesitation, you know, curiosity killed the cat.
Right.
Well, hesitation killed the cat. Like, if you hesitate too long, then, you know, you'll get frustrated and you'll never take the steps.
Is there a best way to get a head start?
Well, there's several different ways, and I think one of the best ways is to not set unrealistic expectations for yourself.
Okay.
And I think that happens with New Year's resolutioners as well. Like, I'm going to work out 5 days a week and things like that. Just start slow. Just say, I'm gonna work out 2 days a week, you know, and then so starting slow, having a buddy, right? It's always easier to do something and to motivate yourself if you have somebody with you. Okay. I would say that if you're new to exercise and you haven't created a lifestyle around it, to reward yourself when you do meet something. Like, if you've accomplished something, go get yourself a massage or buy yourself a new dress or a new suit or something like that. Reward yourself for being consistent. And, you know, listening to music, something that you enjoy, or podcasts, audiobooks. Those are things that are really popular right now. Again, my two biggest things are start slow and don't set unrealistic expectations for yourself. And in fact, what I wanted to say is that if anybody is interested, I can provide people with a very simple format and workout that they can implement now, so that they can get ahead of the rush, and that when it comes to New Year's, they're already in their 6 weeks or so of exercising on a regular basis, and they can just email us, and we'll just shoot them out to that real quick.
All right, so say I decide to start today,
Yeah.
or even tomorrow. I've got a Christmas party tomorrow. I've got one Friday. I've got one Saturday. Then there's Christmas Day. I mean, how do we start with all of these?
Well, I would schedule something, right? So if you schedule your life around social events, right? Schedule your exercise in as well. Make that just as important as that happy hour or that Christmas party or something like that. Just schedule it, and you say, okay, I know that at 6 o'clock I'm going to be doing this. I have to prepare for these many hours before. Well, first of all, you don't have to do a crazy long workout. Just get intentional movement in 20 to 30 minutes. That's all it takes to get health benefits done on a consistent basis.
Yeah.
You know, but schedule it into your day. So if you know you have certain things that you have to do tomorrow, say, okay, I'm going to get up, get my coffee, do what you're going to do in your morning routine, and then do a 20-minute walk.
And there you go.
Start small.
Thank you, and you will be joining us again later in the kitchen.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to
I
that.
can't wait for this.
Well, it's going to be fun.
Looking forward to that. We get to eat. Rushing out the door in the morning for some of us might mean scooping up a breakfast that's not always the healthiest option. So we're back with Erik Schreiber from Custom Fit 360, who's showing us how to throw together an easy and nutritious breakfast quickly.
Yes.
I like that part.
It's very nutritious, and it's very, very fast. So
Okay.
I have clients at 5 o'clock in the morning. I've got to be up, get my breakfast, and get out. So this is a very fast, very nutritious, very delicious meal. So all you need is one of these ceramic egg cookers.
I've never seen one of those
It's not
before.
a toothbrush.
Oh,
so,
okay.
So yeah, so you put it in here, and you put the top on, and it like steams it.
Really?
And it's lickety split. Less than 2 minutes, depending on how you like your eggs.
Okay.
I like them with a little soft in the middle.
Sure.
Right.
Then you hit the toast. So I've got Dave's thin sliced protein.
Oh, I love
bread.
this stuff.
Yeah. It's
Love
very
that stuff.
delicious. And then an avocado.
Okay.
So you have your protein, your carbs, your fat.
Toast is going, so what do we need to do?
So go ahead and hit the
Yeah,
toast.
I'm way ahead of you,
So
Jerry.
now I'm going to have you assist me there. Go ahead and we'll crack 2 eggs in there. So
Crack 2 eggs?
crack it and toss it in there.
Okay. How much
Just
shell do
the
we
egg
need?
part
Just
in
the
there.
egg.
Oh, just the egg.
I
That's
knew
it.
he was gonna
minimal
ask that.
shell.
Well,
Minimal
he
shell.
said minimal shell, so I'm
Minimal
still within
shell.
limits.
All right, and while
Okay.
you do that, I'm going to just
Got the avocado.
cut the avocado. Now, I would suggest that you just do half,
Okay.
because what you're going to do is you're going to spread this. Ooh.
So
And
now-
I like to kind of slice it through. Go ahead and throw that thing in there for about,
Magic oven?
let's go 145. I don't know
145.
your microwave there.
Okay,
I
all right.
usually go 2. And then we'll put it here. And then you just squeeze it out. Bam.
Oh, there you go.
Super quick. Okay?
Yeah.
And all this time you could be sort of, I'm getting dressed, putting my shoes on, getting ready. And I'm like, by the end of it, I'm just sort of waiting for
Waiting
a
on the
second.
egg.
We've got protein.
So this is healthy fat.
Healthy
which
fat
is,
and protein.
fats are super good for you. They help with cell growth. They actually keep your bad cholesterols down. They help with reducing blood pressure. Carbohydrates are a primary source of energy. Don't be afraid of carbs. And then right there, the protein, and really that's going to have protein too. Helps with muscle protein synthesis, which is going to help tone those muscles and helps in body fat reduction. So I would pop those
Pop it
out
up.
there. Pow.
Oh, I was ready to catch one. And
Were
she,
you
she
now?
stopped it.
So now one thing that I would suggest is if anybody's heard of, I think there's a certain seasoning, like it's everything.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, oh my gosh, you put that on this. So I would take this. Oh, your microwave is powerful. Microwave is pow.
Should I?
I think
Oh
we should
yeah, I
take
would
it
take
out,
that
Jimmy.
out. I would take that out. Yeah. It's they're
Do you need
We're doing some serious business over here in this
Here,
microwave.
Jimmy. Do you need?
Have you got- oh,
There you
perfect.
go,
Thank
there
you.
you go.
That's
Now
what I'm
some
after.
of the ceramic egg cookers, it has like a handle on it.
Right.
I really don't know where ours went,
Oh, I see. Okay.
honestly.
Oh, you have kids though. So
Yeah.
find it under their bed or
There you go.
something.
So,
So in
What
your
now?
microwave here, you're going to do it at about 115.
okay, yeah.
See, so I mean, as you can see, like
Oh, all right.
it's super done.
Yeah, right.
And then I mean, we can just use the knife here. Go ahead and bring
Just
it
go ahead
here.
and drop it
hold
right
on.
in there. I was going to show it off. Okay, so just
Yeah.
all of it right.
We're just going to kind of scrape it on there.
All right.
Oh yeah, there we go. So we're going to split it.
So that's not
Ooh,
too
that
far
looks
from the
good.
way you
I
like
love
it,
it
right?
when it's a
Oh
little
yeah.
runny,
Oh my
right?
gosh. Yes, I'm jelly. It's jelly right now. It looks so delicious. And if you have a tiny bit of salt
Right.
or the everything bagel, do we have any salt?
We don't.
Okay, that's okay. That's not
Because
a
we
bad thing.
figured salt wasn't always a good thing.
Yeah, not always.
Not always.
It's in
Sometimes.
abundance. You don't want
Okay,
it in
gotcha.
abundance. Okay, so who's gonna take? Okay, hit it.
I'll
Hit
be
it.
honest with you, it's steaming.
It looks. It looks
really
like
does.
It's pretty
You
hot.
know what I am
But I
gonna
mean,
do?
how long have we been doing this? I mean, it's maybe 3 to 4 minutes.
Yeah, it didn't
I
take
mean,
long at all.
it's boom.
Thank you.
Wham,
Just
bam.
gonna
Yeah, kind of mush it in there.
kind of mush it in there.
It does look hot though, so be careful there.
What a great breakfast. Like you said.
I mean, it's so healthy.
Yeah.
And it's so fast. You know, a lot of times people are like, "Oh, I don't have time to
Right.
to cook or make something," and I'm like, "Well, let me tell you, you've got time to do this. There's
This is
no
perfect.
And how many times have we run out the door grabbing something that we
doubt." Right?
shouldn't?
It's
Or
exactly. Or you stop, and so you don't have time to make anything at home, but then you stop off and get, an egg sandwich from somewhere that shouldn't necessarily be getting it from.
So light sprinkle of salt would be.
Oh
good.
yeah.
Perfect.
Oh no, it would be amazing.
Eric,
amazing.
thank
Okay,
you
so
so
yes.
much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And we're going to put this recipe on our website
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
folks can make it at
Absolutely.
home.
So where I'm putting this in my mouth.
Click
Boom.
on what's happening today.
All
Good
right.
to see you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Merry
Happy
Christmas.
holidays. Thank you. Merry
Thank
Christmas. Thank you.
you. We'll be right back.